Today we are making grilled beef tongue or gyutan. It's a quite popular dish in Japan, especially at Japanese BBQ restaurant. We will simply pan fry and serve with sauce with fresh onion and garlic. For ingredients and recipe, please visit JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to make the sauce. Mince the long white onion. If you have a Japanese or Asian market nearby, you can probably find the long white onion like this. If you can't find it, you can substitute with green or yellow onion. Place the onion in a small pot and add the grated garlic and the seasoning, sake, water, salt, and sesame oil. Stir constantly and let it boil for a minute. Remove from the heat and set aside. Sprinkle salt and pepper over thinly sliced beef tongue. You can find the sliced beef tongue at Japanese markets, or you can slice it at home too. Heat oil in a frying pan or a griddle like this over medium heat. Cook the slices in a single layer until lightly browned on one side. Then flip them over and cook the other side also until lightly browned. They cook very fast, so be careful not to overcook. Serve with lettuce leaves and lemon wedges. Then pour the sauce over the meat. Lemon juice adds a tangy, refreshing taste and helps cut through the grease. Nicely browned meat pairs well with onion and garlicky sesame flavors. If you can find the ingredients, this is a great dish to try.
美味しい。美味しいね。